I've got a question for you. Is your olive oil fake, and how do you know? Well, that's what this video is all about. Did you know that many olive oils are a combination of more than just one source of that olive? And this is because it will help to cut costs. Now, what they're doing in the industry, unfortunately, is they can be using old, rancid, and rotten inferior quality oils, mixing them in and diluting an extra virgin olive oil, that EVOO, with those less expensive oils to help to lower the cost. And you think that you're purchasing an extra virgin olive oil. It may even say that on the label, EVOO, and guess what? You've got an inferior oil. So I'm going to give you some tips what to look for in a good olive oil versus a fake olive oil. Now, unfortunately, when they're using some of these lesser quality olives to make the olive oil, they need to use things like perfumes to help to hide those bad tastes. They may need to color it as well. They need to add extra flavor in there, and it is then sold as extra virgin olive oil, but we know that it really isn't. Now, when you are looking for a good quality extra virgin olive oil, on your label, you're gonna look that it comes from just one source, so just one country. It should name the country of origin, and there should only be one. If it's a blend of different countries, you know that you're probably not getting the real thing. It could be a fake olive oil. Now, here's a list of 4 other things that you really need to look for in a high quality olive oil. Number 1, make sure that it's organic whenever you can. Number 2, it should be extra virgin olive oil, meaning that it's first pressed and very fresh. Number 3, now this is based on your personal preference, it should taste fresh, and you should like the taste, because if you've ever tasted different olive oils all in one sitting, you'll notice that they all are distinctively different depending on where those olives are coming from. And number 4, preferably it's in a glass bottle. You don't want to go for the plastic. You know how I feel. If you've seen my content before, you know how I feel about microplastics and packaging in plastic. Always opt for a glass bottle extra virgin olive oil. Now, for more fake foods to look out for, please check out my video, Why You Should Never Eat These 3 Fake Foods. Again, I'll see you there.